can either open it in a new tab or you can use the script. I'm going to open it as a new tab. I'm into jobs and pipelines. Let me create a VDA pipeline for me. I'm going to name it as demo underscore multiplex and your lab. So I can name it as multiplex only. Then I need to select my catalog, which is values of this, and I'm going to select scheme. I'm starting with prompts, so I'm going to select one scheme. Now, you can start it out with the sample code in SQL or in Python, but I'm going to start with an empty Python. I'm going to select language as SQL and old path. You can either select this path or select this directory. Now, first thing first, I'm going to rename it as, let's say, multiplex pipeline, and mark this notebook as wrong solution. Now, let's go back to the demo. First thing first, what we are doing here, we are creating a common bronze table. We are going to ingest the data as it comes from the source location. We are going to cast each and everything as string only and adding two line data columns. Let me copy this and paste it in. Okay. Now, look at these properties. The first property indicates the pipeline reset allowed is false because we don't want pipeline to be refreshed in case of a full refresh. So, the pipeline reset allowed is false. Also, since we are using variant type, I have to enable variant type is supported. Now, back to the demo. I'm going to fan out my bronze table based on the events or the business events that we have. And I'm going to create three tables out of it: the market intermediate, logistic intermediate, and storage intermediate. The logic behind separating out this is I'm going to filter on event group. If event group is market, I'm going to pass the marketing columns because these data is specific to marketing. Similarly, in case of logistics, we are going to fan out based on business events logistics, and similarly for store operations. Let me copy it one by one into our bronze transformation SQL file in our pipeline. So let me make some space here. So I have copied the three intermediate tables into bronze edition. Now let me go back to my demo. I need to define the parameters as well. So what are my parameters values? I'm going to copy this and go to the settings, into the configuration. It is business events rules. And I'm going to save it. Okay. What you can notice here, I'm reading it from the parameters. The configuration. Also, I need to have my catalog. Right. It is having
Exposto! Você não merece essa salva, porcão! Você já é? Vai ficar sem jantar, porcão! Isso não tá certo! Só queria comer com você. Às vezes você come, às vezes é comido.
Okay, the run is now completed. You can see the tables in the bronze schema since we have listed already has not listed a new records, but the newly created table, which is logistics Silverton, marketing Silverton, and storage Silverton, has encountered a new record. So this table has been created now, and it has been ingested with new records.